Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to download the table in the Google Sheets app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my cool YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up Google Sheets. Here it opens up in this view. From here we just have to select the document that we want to download and tap on the three dots next to its name. Then if we scroll down here, we find download, and we can just tap on this, and the table is going to be downloaded. As you can see here, it's going to give us a notification that the document has started the download, and after that it has been downloaded. Yeah, I guess that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.